Today we are going to talk about a new topic, the cardiovascular system or the CVS. Now, what does the cardiovascular system comprises of? That is, എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുന്നത് ഈ cardiovascular system എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആ സിസ്റ്റത്തിനകത്ത് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് വരുന്നത്? Mainly the heart, the blood vessels and ഈ ഹാർട്ടും ബ്ലഡ് വെസൽസിന് ഉള്ളിൽ കൂടെ ഒഴുകുന്ന ഫ്ലൂയിഡ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദി ബ്ലഡ്. So the cardiovascular system comprises of the heart, the blood and the blood vessels. Now let's talk about the heart. Heart is made of muscle and it is a muscular pump machine which is situated in the thoracic cavity. Our chest cavity ഉള്ളിലാണ് ഈ ഹാർട്ട് സിറ്റുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ അനാറ്റമി പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ already അറിയാം the position of our heart. It is between the two lungs and the space where the heart is situated. That space is known as the mediastinum. The heart is situated in the middle of the thorax and the 2/3 of the heart is oriented towards the left from the midline. See, നമുക്ക് ഈ ഡയഗ്രാം കാണുവാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാവും. Your sternum is there at the middle and your heart is almost oriented towards the left side. Okay, 2/3 that is മൂന്ന് ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 2/3 ഓഫ് ദി heart is oriented towards the left side and only 1/3 very small part atrial region മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ which is oriented towards the from the midline a little to the right. Now the heart, the apex is the part that is towards the left side and the base of the heart is on the top. Now how is this heart muscles, what are the contents of the heart and the covering of the heart? Let's talk about that. The heart is covered by a two-layered covering called as the pericardium. ഈ pericardium എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് is divided into two. One, the visceral layer that is close to the heart and the parietal layer that is away from the heart muscle. Outermost layer of the pericardium is called as the parietal layer and the innermost, which is very adjacent to the heart muscle, is the visceral layer of the pericardium. And between, there is a space between the visceral and parietal layer where the pericardial fluid is present. It is a serous fluid which avoids friction when the heart is pumping and moving continuously. Now, what is the constitution of your heart muscle? Your heart muscle is made of three layers. The epicardium, which is the outermost layer, the myocardium, which is the middle layer, and the endocardium. Endo means inside. Endocardium, which is the innermost layer of your cardiac muscle.